Hey guys, Gary Kim here. In this demonstration, I'll show you how to draw an ear realistically. Pay special attention to my shading technique. As a matter of fact, capturing the shape of an ear is not complicated. Keep an eye on how I make it realistic by capturing subtle value changes. Once I determine the placement and the ratio of the ear, I start with loose ghost lines to create the overall shape of the ear. Keep in mind that these lines should be drawn lightly, as they will eventually fade away. This technique is referred to as ghost lines. The ear shape is simple, so I draw lines with shading simultaneously. I mark the lightest spots in the light hitting areas, leaving them white instead of whitening with an eraser. Once I apply the initial values, I correct a loose sketch of the ear by using a charcoal pencil. Using the thick black pastel stick, I increase the contrast of the overall values, leaving the lightest spots untouched. And then darken the areas around the ear to make it come forward. Once again, I refine the shape of the ear with a charcoal pencil. To create a soft texture of the ear skin, I use a charcoal stick. As you know, I use 3 sizes of drawing tools: a black pastel for large coverage and a loose sketch, a charcoal stick for medium coverage and soft texture, and a charcoal pencil for detailed parts and a correction of the loose sketch. I think it is done. I hope this demonstration has helped you get some ideas of how to draw ears. And I need your feedback. Your feedback will help me make a better content for you. Thank you for joining me. I look forward to the next video.